Hello, and today I've got some Thuds, Christmas themed, juggling balls. Now one of these is supposed to make a noise when it's moved and has stopped. So I'm hoping it's just the battery. We'll find out. So looking round, I can see that the stitching's slightly different there, which would seem to indicate that's where it was sewn shut. That's good. Just one snip has that shot out faster than I was expecting. So this is a little thing in it that makes the noise. We've got 3 little button cells in here. One of them has bulged slightly and is starting to leak. They are made in China, LR1130. How well you can see that. Naught 0.3. This bulged one. That's in millivolts and not volts. I was wondering what else is in here. Got it this far open, we might as well have a look at what's inside. Got a little buzzer. Oh, it's very simple. So it's got the inevitable little chip on board microprocessor coming out to a speaker. Having been on a battery hunt, the closest I could find are 2 of those, rather than the 3 of these which were in there beforehand. But it works. So that was in this little bag. Tucked in the back of this. just needs a couple of stitches put in it. Thank you for watching.